Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome to my channel. Today I have a share, actually it's an unboxing of my first box I've ordered from Cora Crea, I believe is how it's pronounced, crafts, and it's the April box. And it has Enjoy Your April Botanical Box. And it just has a list of what goodies are in here. So I'm going to dig in here. I like this paper too. Dig in here and see what goodies. Pretty excited. Ooh, what's in this little bag? It's a nice velvety bag. It's heavy, whatever it is. What in the world? Let's see. Oh goodness. I never can get these on first try. There we go. It's really heavy, y'all. I have no idea what it is. The drum roll. I think it's like a foil or something. Oh, it's a stamp. It's a wax. I think it's a wax seal. I think so. And it's a flower. Look at that. Let's see if it'll come in. That is so cool. It is really heavy too, y'all. I've never seen one like this. I'm assuming that's what it is. Let me see on the card. Let's see. It doesn't say. It doesn't say what it is. So if anyone knows, if it's something that I don't think it is, like it's not a wax seal, someone let me know. I don't think that's what it is, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna have to look it up. No clue, but it is super heavy. Okay, we got this pretty stamp. That's really pretty. There's just a clear stamp. Let's see. Oh, look at how they wrapped that. Well, that's clever. And a little leather. That is so cute. And these are little tickets, but they have little botanicals on them. Let's see if they're all the same. Are there actually different? Let's see, these are all the same. Then it changes to that one. That's really pretty. And that one. Let's see if I missed one. Nope. That one there. And that one. I like that. That is so cute. I like how they keep it together. That is really clever. Okay. Now here's some washi. Oh gosh, I didn't bring scissors either, I don't think. Let me reach over. So I accidentally bought May's box as well. I forgot to cancel. I did the subscription instead of just buying the box. So I'm not sure what I'll get for that. I really was interested in this box because it's botanical. So really like that. Let's see. I think they're just little stickers. If I can find the start of it. Let's see here. We will learn together. Yes, they're each little stickers. Oh, I like that. Oh, they're really pretty. Hey, it looks like one's missing. It is. That is so weird. I love it. Those are really pretty. I'll get lots of use out of those. Got to start journaling, and I keep talking about it, and then I never do because I've got so much going on. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I did that the hard way, huh? All right, I'm going to do this over here so I don't poke myself with these scissors. I hope y'all are doing well. It is a rainy day here today and a little chilly. Okay. Oh, this is really pretty. I love this. Look at the images on there. Let's see if I can find the start. I think that's it. I have no nails, so this makes it a little challenging. Oh, here's a Fran. There. Look how beautiful that is. I love it. I think Franny likes it too. You like that, Franny? Oh my gosh, she's so curious. My little nosy one. Okay. And we have, oh, these are nice. It's like acetate. It is. It's acetate. Oh, that's really pretty. So these are two different styles, or patterns, I should say. And then there's this one here. Oh, I love those. That is really, really nice. Oh, I have to think of some projects now. And some more stamps. Love stamps. Oh, look at those. I love them. Oh my gosh, I love these little bitty ones. The little bitty one. And look at the little stamp. It's just a little tiny thing. I love them. And look at just the additional, like the little, what is the word I'm looking for? Just a little accent, you know, something to put on there. That's really a cute one. And I like this little bitty one. I'm liking the little ones. For tags, I mean, they're all nice. I like all of them. I really do. I will get lots. Acrylic stamp sheet. Okay, so they're cling stamps. And you just attach it to a block. Just like the regular clear stamps. Loving that one. Okay, I'm really happy with this box. Super glad I got it. And I think these are the rub-ons, I think. The rub-off. Yeah, that's what this is. Oh my gosh, she's going to get in the box. Franny, I don't think you're going to fit, babe. Alright, sorry about how close this is, but Fran's taking over. Alright, Franny. Oh my god. Let me back this camera up so her body is like not totally taking everything. I'm so sorry, y'all. Franny, you don't fit, babe. You don't fit. Oh my gosh. I can't even concentrate now. You can't keep a box in this house at all. I have... Look at her. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. But, yeah. Oh gosh. Too stinking cute. For me anyway, because I'm the crazy cat lady. But these are really pretty. I like these. They're actually stickers. They're not the little rub-offs or rub-ons. I really like them. Love that one. This one's really pretty. Look at that. So that is the box, y'all. So we got 1, 2, 3, well, 2 washies, some tickets, and I don't know, y'all in the comments, if you want to tell me what this is. I'm thinking I do know what it is, but it's really heavy, so it's throwing me off. Okay, yeah. Obviously, I haven't done a lot of wax seals. In fact, I haven't done any, I'll be honest. I tried it with a glue gun. Tammy, my friend Tammy, said, use a glue gun, try that. So I did that. It was kind of a fiasco. So I haven't tried it since. So we got lots of stamps. And then the acetate. So I love it. So I'm sorry that Franny monopolized all the time here. So we will end this note. Y'all have a great week ahead. This is Sunday, the 1st of May, and I leave for my trip in exactly one more day. Well, I leave Tuesday, so yeah, you may not see me for a little bit, but I will be thinking of y'all, and I will be trying to do some crafts, and look forward to seeing y'all's crafts. If you want to send them to me on Instagram or email me, and I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching. Please be kind to one another and take care.